Hello guys, welcome back. So now we are in FISD integrations and here we are doing configurations now. So these all the steps are already completed. Now here so pricing procedure I think we have set up already, right? Determinations of pricing procedure is also already done. What next? Okay, so the next one is determination of partner function. That is also done, right? And here material type onwards, we have to start. Okay, so material type we have to create now. So we have set up a material type earlier also, but that was for raw material. And now we have to set up again a material type. This is for finished goods, right? So for that, do one thing. So material type is having same logic, guys. Whichever logic is there of account group, it controls the fields and even number ranges also. Okay. So now, so go to OMS2. Okay, it's taking time. I think multiple material type might have been created. That's what. Then after we have to set up the material master, sorry, customer master evaluation class. Okay, we'll check one by one. Why it is taking this much time, guys? Let me click on create session. Still, it is taking time only. OMS2. It is logged by me. I'll just click on stop. And once again, I'll just use OMS2. Data is being read. Yes, now. So here, for this one, for finished goods, we are having standard material type, I think FERT. Let me check. Yes. So just copy this one, and create a new one. Right? Which material type I have created? TMFR. Let me check if TMFR is already. You can copy the same. TMFR is there. It is there. So better to copy this one itself, guys. Better to copy this TMFR itself, right? Because now what is happening here? This okay, FERT, of course, standard is there. Now from standard, I have already copied this and I have made it TMFR earlier for a different company code. So you better to copy TMFR itself. Why? Because there might be a chances that somebody might have made some experiment in that standard also, right? So it may throw some error if you guys are going to copy, and whichever errors are taking place related to material type, those errors are mainly from core MM and core ST. So we will stuck, right? So better to copy this one itself. And okay, so TM08 we have already FERT. Why FERT? Okay, actually what I have done, I have selected this one. Somebody's finding. Okay, now FERT. This one was selected, right? TMFR. Now this one is there. So click on copy. And here, what we are going to make TM, can we make like TMFG, finished goods? I think that may be, let me check whether it is available or it is already created. Let's enter. Okay, TMFG 08. Finished product TMFG TM08. Just save it. Okay, so now, so this is done. Okay, so this define material type, we have to set up finished goods material. So that is why we must be having this material type as well. And I have set up TMFG. This is our material type. Now what next? So set up customer master. Customer master means once again what we have to do, guys. Now this time this is like this customer is related to O2C, right? Sales order customer we can say. So for that, customer must be having sales organization data. The way we are having vendor must be having purchase organizations data. In the same way, customer also must be having sales organization data. So either you can set up a new customer or is you can extend the existing customer. Okay. So this one we have done now. Set up customer master XD01. XD01. So what you have to do here, we have the existing customer master I'll just do one thing. Company code TM08. So use this one itself. And do we need to give the account group also? And here what we have to do, guys, you have to give sales, organization, distribution, channel, and division. So no sales area has been maintained. Click on all sales area. TM08, I think I might have given the sales organizations. Is it there? It is not there. Our sales organization is TM08 only, na? What I have created, guys, here, 8T, right? And sales organization OVX5. Better to check like this sales area, OVXG, OVXG, whether it is set up or not. So Control F and TM08. It is already there, na? Oh my God, TM08 is there. But what about this one? Distribution channel division, these things are not assigned here, right? That is why here we are not able to find the sales area. So what we have to do, here we have already defined the distribution channel and we have already defined the division as well, 8T and 8T. So what we have to do here, I think last time we have already done the assignment. Maybe I have not, I forgotten to save it. So click on here and click on assign. Yes, I'm able to remember this assignment was done. But I think I was not able to save it. Just save it now. Okay. So now it is done. Now it should appear here. Okay, so I'll just give here manually because we have opened this screen earlier and we have done the setting just now. So TM08 and here 8T and here also 8T and press enter. It's fine. Now, so what we have to do, guys, customer pricing procedure here you can give, I think, one. Okay, so here I should have to specify. Okay, now, so simply I'll write here what you guys have to. Customer pricing procedure. that you have to specify 1. Then I'll just do one thing, guys. I'll make it a bit smaller. Okay. So here, customer pricing procedure, we can make 1. And then here, okay, that's fine. Under shipping, this is under sales tab. So this one we have to make under sales tab. You have to specify customer pricing procedure 1. Then you have to write under shipping tab. We can specify certain other things. Okay, what we can specify? You can specify this delivery priority. You can give 0, 1. This is for as soon as possible. And then shipping conditions also you can. So delivery priority 0, 1. And shipping conditions also we can give here 0, 1 itself. Condition also 0, 1. And you can give delivery plant also. This delivery plant, that is TM08. So delivery plant also. That is TM08. Okay, so this is under shipping conditions, right? I'll just make it like this. Then again, under shipping conditions, everything we have maintained. Under billing document, yes, I'll have to write down this one. Billing document that you have to specify. So you have to specify here. First of all, this one, this info terms you can specify. This is again that is for coming from Core SD. Info terms stand for I think international commercial term. That you can give here. You can use I think CIF. So use CIF. CIF stand for this one I think cost, insurance, and freight. Something is there. CIF. You can specify here cost, insurance. I think it should appear automatically. Okay. And again, terms of payment also, of course, can be given here. TOP. Team 08. And then account assignment group also. Yes, this is having deal determination related, what is say, automatic account determination. So this is having an important role. Account, okay, account assignment group. That is also we can give 01 itself. Okay, what is the use of this one? That we need to understand because this is associated with us. Why? Because it is having use in automatic on determinations. So that we have to see. Okay, so now here, and anything else? That's it. Now here, partner determinations generally what will happen? That will be triggered by system automatically, right? So here generally partner determinations, I have already explained that we have like ship to customer, bill to customers, payers, right? And sold to customer, sold to party, right? So sold to party is the main customer who places the order, and these are the different same customer but having different addresses, right? So that can be again set up as a customer master because in a single what do you say, in a single like let's suppose this one with a in a single customer master you can maintain a single address only. So shipping address is different, then you can create a ship to party here, right? Ship to party, and whatever that customer number is there, that is supposed to be assigned here. That is supposed to be assigned, right? So now, generally, it is showing like non-editable. It should appear in editable mode, but anyway, we are not going to make that experiment here. So no need to go for that. Okay. So simply just save this customer master. Okay. So 1000055. This is my customer. So that is done. Set up a material master. So material master, we have to set up a finished goods only. So simply what you have to do, mm03, mm01. Okay, now here what you have to do, guys. So this time TM08, and this is underscore FG1 I'm going to create. Okay, and here again you can select anyone. I'll select this mechanical material type, right? So material type, few material types are already created. Now here we have to check finished goods. So look at here, finished goods are there, but again in finished goods also we have to search like our where is this? Mine is TM08, na?
सर above ऊपर था
Yeah, it's
there.
here. And if you press enter here, then what you have to select, guys, you have to select basic data one, just keep it, and then you remove these things. And then we have to select what? Sales organization data one, you can select. Sales organization two also you can select. That's fine. And then we can select sales general plant also. Anything else? Now here, sales general plant data, right? And I think we can select this one also, general plan data storage one, and then accounting. That's fine. So these are the options which you have to select. Okay, these are the options which you have to select here. Accounting one, that's fine. You click on default setting, right? These are the options you have to basic data one, sales, general plant, and accounting. That's it. These are the options. Press enter. Now here, so plant, then storage locations and sales organizations, that is TM08 itself. Distribution channel is what, guys? I think 8
80
8T is there, right? And you can click here default setting. Click default setting, then next time onwards, whenever you guys are going to enter this transaction code, by default, system will bring this one. Okay. Now just press enter. Copy, paste it here. And in basic data, what we have to specify, guys, unit of measure you can specify, that is each, so EA, and anything else, nothing. Gross weight, net weight, yes, you can give something, or else there'll be at the time of creation of sales order, again system will say to specify over there. This is the what is a material weight related things are there. So gross weight, net weight, it's okay. Just press enter. Sales organizations here, one, right? So what we can specify, delivery plan, yes, you can specify that is TF08, right? Do we have to specify anything else? Yeah, division, yes, you can specify it. So that is 8T only, right? That is our division. And again, anything else? Now this tax category, make it 0. That's it. Let's enter here. So this is not our part, guys, and that is why we are not going to fill up all the details. Whichever is required for us so that we can create a material master. So now here in sales organization to what we can give. I think here somewhere account assignment group will be there. Yes, it's here. You have to give 03. This is also having a logic, guys. So I'll explain because this is going to play a crucial role in terms of automatic account determination. Okay, so that we have to use, that's it, item category group. So already NORM is there, that's fine. So just press enter. And now here, okay, availability check here, we have to keep something, keep here standard like AP itself. And anything else, yes. So transportation group, you can give standard 0001, and this one is also mandatory. So loading group also you can give 0001, or we can give like, have we created anything for loading group? Keep 0001 itself, no issues. So just press enter. Anything is here? Nothing. Press enter. General plan data storage one. Here we are not supposed to give anything, but somebody has kept something as a number of GR slip. What is this number of GR slip, guys? That you just give one. Let's see what happens. Okay. This field is mandatory. It means somebody might have made some experiment. It's okay. So now press enter. Let's see. Okay, here. So here, valuation class. What I have specified, set up valuation class if needed, right? So valuation class means if you click here, so yes. So sometime what happened, guys, whenever you guys are going to click here, so you find like valuation class for finished products, it's missing, right? So just do one thing, use anyone, like let's suppose I'm going to use this one 6024. Anyone you can use. I'm going to use the 6024, it's okay. That again we have to remember 6024. And here, okay, and the second one is what, guys? Price control S, that's fine. Anything here? So standard, this is like standard price. So standard price you have to maintain here. 100 I'm going to specify here. Okay, that's it. Now save it once. Yes, it is created. So this one is done. Now that is why I said like set a valuation class if needed. If you don't find this, what to say, finished product over there, if anybody has deleted, in that case you can set up. How to set up this valuation class is already we have seen, right? And what is the logic that we have already seen in FIMM integrations? Okay. Metal master we have done, everything is fine. Now what next, guys? Oh my god, these all things. Now the next one is we have to create this condition record. So generally, if you talk about this condition record, guys, this is also called condition master. Okay, and okay, so this is the master data from, or you can say this is the yes, it is the master data only. Some certain combinations we have to specify here, right? And this is the master data from pricing. Okay, this is also mandatory setting. That is why we are going to do. So you just do one thing. VK11, VK11. Okay, so here we are going to give a standard condition type, that is, I think, PR00. Press enter and select the first condition only. Customer material with religious status. Just press enter here. Okay. So here what happened? So this is our customer by default system has taken, it's okay. Against generally what is happening, guys, whichever customers are there, here generally this is a master data, one time settings only. So with the customer, in the sense, customers and material combinations will be there, and then prices also can be specified here. Now, this is having certain logic, of course, but we are going to perform this as a mandatory settings only, so that now prices are going to pick up. When you create a sales order, right? So in sales order creation, this is also having a crucial role in terms of price determinations. But anyway, let's do one thing. You're like TM01 and sorry, TM08 underscore uh, FZ1, right? This is our amount. You can give 100 rupees. That's it. And I think here we have to specify currency. Press enter. Yes, that's it. Just save it. So this one we have done. Okay. So guys, still here, whatever activity I have done, if you talk about the logic, so the understanding of logic behind those setting is almost zero for you people, right? Even if little bit understanding will be there, like during explanations, you might have some imaginations, but that is also later it is going to be zero itself, right? Because these all are coming from a different module, that is coming from SD module, right? And so again, logically, it is not possible to explain. The reason behind is if I show that practically, then only you guys are going to. And practical exposure is not possible because it takes too much time, right? Right. No. So anyway, that is not your part. And in real time, what happened? Whatever settings we have done till now, none of the settings are going to be done by you people. No one. Okay. But yes, these activities will be done by you people. Which activities? So now we need to set up GL account. We need to set up the GL account. So again, now here we are going to set up. Okay. So first of all, we have to set up stock of finished goods and COGS account, right? And then increase and decrease of stock. This is offsetting GL. Okay. So when it is going to be used, we'll see that first of all you set up 3GL. FS double zero. And stock of finished goods. So we have already stock of raw material, make it 25. So stock of finished goods, save it. Stock of, I did change the, make it FG. So this one we have done. COGS account, right? This is stand for cost of goods sold. So you just do one thing that you can set up here under, okay. So just do one thing, copy this one and make it 20. Everything is fine. Can we remove this? And here the 006 only. Just save it. Okay. Now this one is done. What next? Okay, so here, what you have to do in the stock of finished goods, you have to do one thing. So I'll just specify. You have to give like D006 in FSG. FSG, you have to enter G006. GL1, then GL2, COGS account. Here also. COGS you can create under expense account. And FSG here, the 006 itself. And again, in increase and decrease, you have to give FSG. here also the same, and this one you can create under other account group. By looking at this PPT only, you guys will be able to perform the settings, increase and decrease in stock. So this is under FSG account group. Sorry, field status group must be G006. So are we having anything here? 5001. And then increase and decrease in stock. There'll be use of this one also. I'll let you know where is the use. Okay. G006. You can apply a check mark here. Okay, so these are the three GL accounts which we have to set up. Now, GL account assignment, guys. So what we have to do, we have to assign the GL account. If we talk about FISD integrations, so generally, so GLs are getting triggered. Okay, so at the time of billing, right? At the time of billing, GL will be in the sense at the time of invoicing, GL will be getting triggered from a different part, that is from core SD side. In the sense, you can say SD table, and during when you send the what is say material goods issue. So at that point of time, what is happening, guys? Simply we are sending the goods only. So that is the movement of what? That is the movement of material. So during material movement, what is happening? Of course, system will trigger the accounting entry from where? That is going to be from OBYC. Material related, already we are having BSX, you guys know, right? So that is why here, when we are going to, at the time of issuing the goods, that GL will be triggered here from OBYC. And when we have to send the invoice to the customer, so that GL will be triggered from VKOA. So now here, so just do one thing. Come here and go to slash NOBYC. So material account, what do you have to do? Material account you have to assign here. Okay. So BSX is there. Double click. COA 8. That's fine. And this is raw material. Now what we are going to do. So valuation modifier will be same. 0001. So, okay. and our valuation class is different. What is the valuation class? I think 6025 was there. Na? So you can check MM03 and here directly you can check here 6024. So make sure that you assign against correct valuation class or the system will not. So 1025 plus double zero and here yes 1025 is a GL account we have assigned. Press enter and just save it. Okay, so 1025 we have assigned here. Now then so here what is happening guys, when the goods are going to be issued, so our material account will be credited or debited. Anyone?
Is going to credit debited.
Debited.
Sir, I think it will be credited.
Credited, sorry, it towards goes.
Goes out, right? Chalo. So if it is credited, then something will be debited, right? Offsetting GL will be there. So offsetting GL, what is happening, guys? Now, offsetting GL means, as I told you, except GRIR, remaining whatever the offsetting GLs are there, that is going to be assigned against GBP. So here we are having GBP. Double click on this GBP. Okay. So since multiple offsetting account will be there, that is why in GBP we are having now valuation modifier, that is 0001 is there. Valuation class is 6024. But again, since here multiple GLs are assigned, so how system will differentiate, right? So we have this general modification or general modifier also will come into picture. So for finished goods, I think VAX. Let me try VAX. We have to specify, and here, uh, so offsetting GL cost of sorry COGs I have already assigned created. Na? So under expense, what is the GL account we have? 4020. So 4020. Press enter and save it. So this is the assignment for our material, right? Now we'll do one thing. Go to /n VKOA VKOA. Press enter. So look at here, guys. In VKOA we are having these are the different tables are there. Even this table can be created. Okay. In this, if you talk about FISD integration, guys, there are multiple things. There are multiple things, which is coming into picture. So, in the sense, like if you talk about these configurations, I have made almost shortcut only because again some other elements also will come into picture. So we'll see like at the time of how the GLs are going to be triggered, in that we have to see. So look at here. These are the different what do you say combinations are there, and even we can somebody has created these combinations. Of course, like not a FI consultant. Definitely that guy is SD. So they have set up this. So right now, what we have to do, we have to set up a GL account against certain combinations. Now, what is the logic behind these combinations, guys, that we have to understand one by one? So I'll just do one thing. In next session, I will just explain the logic. We'll see this practically how system is going to trigger the GL account, because this is the one point you have to understand here in FISD, right? And you have to explain in detail what is the role of this, in the sense how GL accounts are getting triggered, because testings and all, it is done by everyone. Everybody, whichever steps I have explained, you watch YouTube videos, you watch what do you say, any tutorials, any videos and all. Everywhere these steps are specified by people. Same steps are there. That is maybe one or two more or less, right? But somewhere you may find some, like simply configurations. Even like what I have done, I have explained like logic behind almost little bit itself, but almost for every steps. But again, whether I explain the logic and somebody has not explained the logic. But as of now, what is happening, both are equal for you. The reason behind is like even while explaining the logic also, understanding will be very less, right? Understanding will be very less because this is not our part. We are doing what is a setting for a different module. That is why. Okay, so the major thing you have to understand like this automatic GL account, how it is getting triggered and what is the role of these combinations, that we have to understand. So that I'll explain in next session.